So we want to work out the HCF and the LCM of both 72 and 96. Okay, and what you probably may want to do is first of all find the HCF of both numbers. So let's begin. So we have 72 here, and we will split it into two numbers that multiply to give 72, but one of them must be a square number. So that'll be 2 and 36. And 2 is a prime number, that's in circle. 36 is not, so we split 36, and that will be 2 and 18. And 2 is a prime, but 18 is not, and that would be also 2 and 9. 2 is a prime, and 9 can be written as 3 and 3. And of course, you can put that in circle. All right. So definitely we'll write 72 as a product of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And next we have 96. So we're gonna try to see how we can split that. So we got 96, and let's see what we can do. 2 and 48. 2 is a prime, and 48 can be split as 2 and 24. Again, 2 is a prime, and 24 can be split as 2 and 12. 2 is a prime, and this is 2 and 6. And 6 can be written as 2 and 3. So we need to write this 96 as the product of its prime. And so you're going to write this 96 here as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so now we have these numbers split into their product as product of the prime factors. What you probably may need to look at the numbers that are common on both lists. This is 1. Another number common to both lists is 2. Another number common to both lists is another 2. And another number common to both lists here will be 3. So we're going to use the Venn diagram to figure out what are the LCM or HCF, as the case may be. But I think we have to work out the other question first, which is the HCF. Mind you, this is this LCM for 72, and this is the HCF for 96. So in the overlap, you have the numbers in in this color, I think in pink color or something like that. So you put here 1 2 on it, 1 2 1 2, and then 1 3. And of course the remaining number for 72, which is 3, goes right here. And for 96, the other numbers is going to be 2 and 2, so you put in 2 and 2. So now we can easily now work out the highest common factor. Okay, and the highest common factor will be all the numbers in the intersection here. Okay, all the numbers right in this intersection, and that will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, and of course that will be 8 times 3, that's 24, and that will be the HCF. Okay, good. And very easy, right? And also to find the LCM, all you need to do is to multiply all the numbers in these 3 parts of the circle. In fact, all the numbers right in the circles. Okay, so we're going to multiply this, which is 3, and multiply by here, which is 24. Okay, and again here is just 2 times 2. Okay, and of course if you have to do this again, you probably may need a calculator. 288. Okay, so these are the answers for the HCF, which is 24, and that for the LCM, which is 288. And I think you found this really helpful. Okay, thank you.